This is my vibe. This is my vibe. It don't matter where I'm going, always dressed to the nines. Taking over the night. Gonna get the crowd going till it feels just right. Turn it up, I can't hear it. Gotta let the people know that I got that spirit. Get hurt, you come near it. Doing my thing and it feels just fine, yeah. This is my vibe.
Today is October 11. It's a very special day for me because this is my wedding day. Ngayon, is a very special kasi ito yung wedding na hinihintay namin ng aking partner.
Today is October 11, 2025. It is the most important day because finally we are getting married. Feeling happy, nakulbaan kasi syempre hindi ta anong matabo karon, but hopefully tani matapos na successful and na-enjoy sang tanan.
Ngayon masaya kasi sa tagal-tagal ng plano is ngayon na talaga dumating na yung araw na ito. Parang nervous konti, na excited, na di ko alam yung pakiramdam na ito. First time ganito pala pag ikakasal.
Today, more than anything else, we continue to thank the good Lord, especially as we witness the union of these two individuals, Ian James and Trixie, in front of God's altar, promising each other to be husband and wife for the rest of their lives.
Our story began in our review days. Nag-start gid siya sa chat lang po sa Messenger. Simpleng hi, hello, and then doon na, night calls and consistent chats, and our first meet came. No grand coffee shops, no grand events.
Isa online. Nakita ko yung picture niya, then inad ko, then yung chat. Yun naman is nag-reply agad pagtanong ko kung taga saan, malapit lang pala sa amin. Akala mo malayo. Ayun, nakachat ko siya, then after nun, nagkita kami. Sinundo ko siya. Tapos, pumunta kami sa bahay nila at nakilala ko yung parents niya.
Yun na, doon ko nalaman na seryoso si groom kasi diretso po pakilala sa bahay kahit hindi pa sure, ganun kasigurado. Pero during our first meet, doon po talaga, di ba, parang traditional kasi sa parents kaagad pinakilala and sa bahay talaga dinala.
Madami, di ko na matandaan kung ano-ano. Yawan, dala ng flower, or tsokolate. Tapos, hatid sundo para mapauul. At sa wala Diyos, sinagot naman ako.
Ian James and Trixie, you are not simply promising each other as husband and wife, but today you make sacramentalize the union that you have, meaning you ask God's blessing to bestow upon you on your relationship as a married couple for the rest of your life. Today, your promise today would be the promise as well of tomorrow and the next generation to come until the end of time, that you will remain faithful to one another.
Rida, thank you kasi kapag nagkamali ako is lagi mo akong pinapatawad at naiintindihan. Salamat. Kasi kahit away bati tayo at LDR, lagi mo akong naiintindihan sa lahat. Kaya ngayon, ito, ilang oras na lang is mag-asawa na tayo. Ay mo tandaan is mahal na mahal kita and I love you so much. Jeff, thank you kay nakakaroon o kay Kuan Christian Tan, thank you kay nakadriya.
Ganda ka niyo. Paul mo.
Thank you.
Girls, thank you for accepting being my bridesmaids, and thank you for all the efforts and love. Ash.
Ako,
Giselle. Guniti lang, anay.
thank you.
Ay, Sarah. Iyati lang, anay. Iyati lang, anay.
Thank you, Dad. Thank you.
You're welcome. In terms of ugali ni groom, he is so kind, selfless na masasabi, and may effort po siya, and yung respeto po hindi nawawala. Acts of service kasi kahit sa konting bagay nandyan si groom para tulungan po ako kung ano man yung mga kailangan ko. Despite of the distance po, hindi niya po hinahayaan na mapag-isa po ako, na ma-feel ko na nag-iisa po ako.
Wow!
Oh. Babe, thank you sa phone ha. Alam mo naman, di ako nagkabili ng cellphone. Thank you. Oo. Meron kasi dati panay ako gala, panay ako trail. Kasi mahilig din ako sa motor. Panay kami trail. Din makawi, gabi na. Pero nung naging kawi, para iniwasan ko na. Para magkaroon din kami ng time. Parati. Siya is mapagmahal sa Diyos at masunurin.
Thank you, babe.
At sa lahat na nagustuhan ko sa kanya is masarap siya kausap, then lagi niya akong naiintindihan sa lahat ng bagay. Yun, kwentuhanan. Yun, pinakamaganda.
The second one is that marriage should be anchored on your commitment to each other. No, as husband and wife. This commitment is decision that holds your love steady. It is a sacred promise that today's I do will be as well the same I do for the rest of your life. Because true commitment does not depend on feelings or emotion, but it is a conscious choice to give each other every day and every second of your life. That you will choose each and every one of you for the rest of your life.
From the very beginning, I did not expect to fall the way I did. From chat, you came into my life unexpectedly. I always prayed for a man who can love me with all his heart and for who I am. With your kindness, patience, understanding, unwavering support, and your boundless love, I fell in love. Today, in front of everyone, I promise that I will always be by your side, your partner, your peace, your home. I will be your constant in joy and in trials. I promise to be a good wife to you, loving, loyal, and true. I promise to be a good wife to you, loving, loyal, and true. I promise to build a home filled with warmth, laughter, and faith. See you later. I love you.
Today, standing right here in front of you, babe, parang hindi pa rin ako makapaniwala na after all these years, nandito na tayo. Kaya ngayon, sa harap ng lahat, gusto kong ipangako sa iyo, I promise na kahit saan tayo dalhin ng buhay, I will always stand by you sa bawat up and down, sa bawat laban at tagumpay. Ikaw at ikaw lang ang kakampi ko. I promise to protect our love distance. Kahit saan man tayo dalhin ng buhay, uuwi at babalik pa rin ako sa iyo. Because you're not just my babe, you're my answered prayer, my partner, and my forever. Mahal na mahal kita palagi.
Thanks be to God. And now we will all witness the official kissing of the husband and wife. Ian James, you may now kiss your wife.
Kahit nagkabato, sa'yo lang ako